Hey guys, Robert Knoll with RNR Natural Pavement. RNR Natural Pavement offers a 2-inch, 4-inch, and spray-on application. RNR Natural Pavement is extremely eco-friendly. First, we consider your particular job, whether you would like to solidify your base or sub-base. Either option is viable as long as you can compact that material to 95%. Then you simply spray on, mix in, and compact. Then you will spray on a final diluted top coat for extra durability. It truly is that simple. Remember, any soil, dirt, or aggregate that is compactable to 95% is a candidate for RNR Natural Pavement. You will get unconfined compressive strength of up to 2200 psi with our original natural pavement blend, while our new Black Label Eco Add Mix reaches psi levels of 5000, rivaling concrete. So if you're looking for long-lasting, eco-friendly, simple application roads, give us a call.